Hello students, welcome back to the AIO Education Channel. Today, we are going to learn an interesting chapter from Class 8 Science called Keeping Time with the Skies. In this chapter, we will understand how people in ancient times measured time by observing the sun, the moon, and the stars. We will learn about the phases of the moon, how days, months, and years are formed, different types of calendars, festivals related to astronomy, and the importance of artificial satellites. Let us begin today's lesson step by step in easy English. Long before clocks, watches, and calendars were invented, people depended on the sky to understand time. They carefully observed the regular movements of the sun, the moon, and the stars. These movements repeat again and again in a fixed pattern, and such repeating events are called periodic events. Using these natural cycles, humans learned how to measure time. Let us first talk about the moon. The moon does not produce its own light. It shines because it reflects sunlight. The moon is spherical in shape, but we do not see it completely bright every day. This is because only the part of the moon that faces the sun gets light. From Earth, we can see only the illuminated part that faces us. As the moon moves around the Earth, the visible bright portion keeps changing. This change in appearance is called the phases of the moon. When the moon appears as a complete bright circle, it is called the full moon, or Purnima. When the moon is not visible at all, it is called the new moon, or Amavasya. After the new moon, the bright part of the moon slowly increases day by day. This period is called the waxing phase. After the full moon, the bright part starts decreasing. This period is called the waning phase. The moon takes about 29.5 days to complete one full cycle of phases, which forms the basis of a month. Many students think that the moon can be seen only at night, but this is not true. Sometimes the moon is visible during the day as well. This happens because the moon rises about 50 minutes later each day. Its rising and setting time keeps changing, so it can appear in the daytime sky too. It is important to understand that the phases of the moon are not caused by the Earth's shadow. This is a common misunderstanding. The Earth's shadow falling on the moon causes a lunar eclipse, which is a rare event. Moon phases happen simply because of the changing positions of the sun, Earth, and moon. Now let us understand how the concept of a day was formed. The Earth rotates on its axis once in about 24 hours. This rotation causes day and night. People in earlier times measured the day by observing the sun and the length of shadows. When the sun is highest in the sky, the shadow is shortest. This helped them find midday. The moon gives us the idea of a month, and the Earth's movement around the sun gives us the idea of a year. The Earth takes about 365 days to complete one revolution around the sun. During this time, seasons repeat in a regular pattern. Based on these natural cycles, humans developed calendars. There are three main types of calendars. The lunar calendar is based on the phases of the moon. It has 12 lunar months, but a lunar year has only 354 days, so seasons do not stay fixed. The solar calendar is based on the movement of the Earth around the sun and the cycle of seasons. The Gregorian calendar, which we use today, is a solar calendar. It has 365 days, and every 4 years an extra day is added as a leap year to keep the calendar correct. There is also a Luni-solar calendar, which uses both the moon and the sun. Many traditional Indian calendars follow this system. To match the lunar months with seasons, an extra month called Adhik Maas is added every few years. India also uses the Indian national calendar for official purposes. It is a solar calendar, and the year starts on 22nd March. The months are named after traditional Indian months like Chaitra and Vaisakha. Many Indian festivals are connected with astronomy. Festivals like Diwali are celebrated on a new moon day, Holi on a full moon day, and Eid-ul-Fitr after the sighting of the Crescent Moon. That is why these festivals fall on different dates every year in the Gregorian calendar. Some festivals, like Makar Sankranti, are based on the sun's position and usually fall on the same date every year. Finally, let us talk about artificial satellites. The moon is Earth's natural satellite, but humans have also launched many artificial satellites into space. These satellites orbit the Earth and help us in communication, weather forecasting, navigation, disaster management, and scientific research. India's space organization, ISRO, has launched many important missions like Chandrayaan, Mangalyaan, Aditya L1, and Astrosat. Satellites play a very important role in our daily life. So students, today we learned how time is measured using the sky. We understood the phases of the moon, the formation of day, month, and year, different types of calendars, the connection between festivals and astronomy, and the importance of artificial satellites. I hope this chapter is now clear and interesting for you. If you found this video helpful, please like it, share it with your friends, and comment to tell us which chapter you want next. Do not forget to subscribe to the AIO Education channel. Thank you, and see you in the next video.